All up. I am here to perform Raghu Tiny School spoken English activity. Today activity is help picture the 10. Let me introduce myself now. My name is Desmit Kartikaya. I am taking third class in Raghu Tiny School. My father name is Krishna Kumar. He is a software engineer. My mother name is Kirti. He is a housemaker. My brother name is Jatvir Kumar. He is studying third class. My favorite color is red and orange. My favorite food is chicken biryani. My goal is to become a doctor. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.